Hello students, myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litera Z School Jhansi. Today we are taking one more topic of chapter 2 of BST of class 12th commerce, that is principles of management, principles given by Henry Fayol. In my earlier lecture I have discussed about management principles, pure science principles, values, management techniques, but today we will discuss about the principles given by Henry Fayol. Actually, Henry Fayol is known as father of modern management and Frederick William Taylor is known as father of scientific management. Henry Fayol has given 14 principles and today we will discuss only 5 principles given by Henry Fayol. That is division of work, authority and responsibility, discipline, unity of command, unity of direction. So students, before starting this concept, we should know about the background and history of Henry Fayol. Who was Henry Fayol? Henry Fayol was born in France in 1841. He got degree in mining engineering in 1860 and started working as an engineer in a coal mining company. In 1888, he was promoted as the MD of the company. At that time, the company was in the situation of insolvency. He accepted the challenge and applied his managerial skills to bring out the company from this situation, and he finally succeeded. When he retired after 30 years, the company was a leading coal steel company with a strong financial background. Now, what were the major contributions of Henry Fayol? Henry Fayol became famous as father of management studies and thoughts because of the following contribution. 1. He made clear distinction between technical and managerial skills. 2. He identified the main steps in the process of management which are considered the major functions of management, that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. He developed 14 principles of management which act as a guideline for a manager to perform his managerial activities. So students, there are 14 principles which were given by Henry Fayol, and today we will discuss 5 principles which I have already written in my whiteboard, that is division of work, authority and responsibility, discipline, unity of command and unity of direction. So starting with first, division of work. Division of work means dividing the work in smaller units, creating department, allocation of work as per capabilities of employees. It is the basis of functional foreman technique. It is the base of delegation concept. There are two effects of this principle, specialization and improvement in the efficiency. Now the second, authority and responsibility. Authority means power to take decision and responsibility means obligation to complete the job assigned on time. Match, parity, equality and balance between the authority and responsibility. Allocation of authority as per assigned to individual. Giving authority matching to target or responsibility of the employee. The positive effect of this principle is that there is no misuse of the authority. It helps in meeting the responsibility on time without any delays. Consequence of violation of this principle leads to delay in work, misuse of the authority and overburden with the work. Now, discipline. Discipline means framing of rules and regulation. It follows a code of conduct, meeting of commitments by a subordinate as well as the superior. Unity of command means an employee should receive order from one boss superior and he should be accountable to one superior only, because if she receives order from more than one boss, he will get confused. And last, unity of direction. Unity of direction means one unit means one plan. That is the efforts of all the members and employees of an institution must be directed towards one direction, that is the achievement of common goal. So students, today we have discussed 5 principles of Henry Fayol. In my next class, I will discuss remaining 9 principles. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.